Start with a simple idea. Think more. Call your rep. Stop thinking and start doing. Design the cover. Redesign the cover. Set up page 1. Now do it again and again. Drink some water. Design something totally original. Okay, not that original. This original. Schedule. Plan some more. Set deadlines. That's good. Call back the staff. Sell ads. Sell the book. Sell more ads. Open up InDesign. Open up Photoshop. Not that Photoshop. That Photoshop. Drink more water. Choose a color palette. Choose a font type. Brainstorm marketing scheme. Schedule a sales event. Design t-shirts. Wear t-shirts. Everyone wears the t-shirts. Drink more water. Check the trends. Interview. Interview again. Ask better questions. Have a conversation. Resist the urge to call your rep. Now stop and go to the bathroom. Okay, back to it. Shoot it. Edit it. Love it. Now call your rep. Open up Photoshop again. Why? Because you have that thing on your teeth in page 9. Color correct everything. Give it some kick. Give it more faces. More faces. More people. Never too many different people. 30 clubs. No, all the clubs. Give it a QR code that links to school videos. Give it an awesome cover. Awesomer. No, awesomer. Good. Send in the last deadline. Throw a party. Send those PDFs to the printer. Email your rep. Schedule a distribution party. Plan an event. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it. Email Marcia about Camp Wanamaker. Select next year's staff. Me? Yes, you. This is how we produce award-winning media. It's just that easy.